Dumela, Molo, and Sawubona. Welcome to the Abuti Syllabus. It's super user-friendly. You have buttons on the left to choose a lesson. You have buttons at the top to choose the activity. Here, you can see the teacher's guide with explanations and grammar help. Here, you can access the workbook with fun and engaging activities. Here, you can watch the animations that are so much fun.
That's right, ihlombe. Now what is the word for foot in isiZulu?
Here, you can listen to songs and stories.
Fun to learn, noun classes,
Here, you can find the flashcards, noun class poster, board game, assessments, and much, much more. So, are you ready to let Abuti do the teaching?
What is the word for head in isiZulu? That's right.
Kusiami, ke foot. Alusiami go opela le nna.
Vandag leer ons werkwoorde. Hoe sê ons om te loop? Baie mooi. Dis Gotsamaya. Stand, Emma, sit, Dula, walk, Samaya, sleep, Robala, jump, Clola, speak, Bua.
Tamayang sinte ba?
Goodbye.
Let Abuti do the teaching.
Let Abuti do the teaching.
Also, visit our website to see what other language learning materials we have to offer. Also, visit our YouTube channel to see what we are up to.
Ja, luister hem weer.